We're here at the city park. We're gonna see if we can't pull a couple of ditch pickles out of here. We got some rain recently, but it ain't rained in about a week, but last week was pretty good with the rain, so it should have filled up, went back down to a good pace. We are going to make sure there's no snakes right here because they are likely to be out. Alright, good news, no snakes. Not yet anyways. Water is pretty dirty right now, it looks like. But we are going to see what we can do. A little KVD paddle tail, caffeine shad color with a little dip tail. We're going to see if we can't make it happen. I'm getting pecked by something, probably a little brim already. Oh, there we go. Yeah! Came up and choked it. First cast, first bass, baby. That is awesome. Hey, easy there, buddy. Look at that. Healthy little dude right there. We just out here at the city park. First cast, first fish. Let's see what else we can get into. There he goes. Boy, that sucker hit it right at the last little bit. I'm talking about murdered it. A bunch of bait fish in here though, for sure. Oh, damn it. He shit on me. Was not expecting it right there. I didn't hook him, so maybe I'll hit it again. Oh yeah. Oh no. Well, it hung up, that's for sure. Let's retie. I don't know what kind of knot y'all like to tie, but I always go with the Palomar knot here. I feel like it's probably the most versatile knot. You can tie it for everything. And I've never, unless I mess up the knot tie, which I haven't done in a long time, this knot is never gonna pull out on you or anything. Juice. Just the tip. Make sure I don't get that all over my hand like I do every time. Yeah. Let's try this again. Oh. It's a damn brim pecking at it for sure. Pop. Jerk it a little bit, let it die. Jerk it a little bit, let it die. We got one. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Come here, buddy. Get up here. Good fish. That is what I'm talking about, baby. We are here at the park. Catch it like this. That is what I'm talking about, dude. That is what I am talking about, bro. That is a good solid 2 pounds. Look at that. Look at that belly on that motherfucker there. Bro, maybe I should have brought the other camera. Look at that. His tail's all busted up. That's weird. Just for some comparison. Look at that. That is a good fucking fish. He's feisty, I'll tell you that. There you go, buddy. Look at him. Oh, kicked water all over me. Ah. They are loving this paddle tail right now, dude. They are loving it. I was gonna bring the other camera, but I wasn't expecting it to hit off like this down here, to be honest. I'm gonna move down a little bit. See if we can't catch something off this log, maybe. Look for snakes, look for snakes, look for snakes. I don't see no snakes. Oh, I didn't really get to the log, but hey, we're trying. That's what I'm saying, y'all. There's fish, there can be fish anywhere. You don't have to go to the lake. You don't have to go, I mean, as long as you have a little creek or anything where you can drive to, walk to, just throw you a bait in, see what happens. That's all you can do. Fish where there is water, because you never know what any body of water can bring you. I'm out here with a rod from a Walmart combo. I think this is like, I don't even know if this is a $30 reel, and I love this reel. It's a Lew's Laser Pro, I believe. And it's nice. I like the drag on it. At least what I do now. Have I pulled in a 10-pounder or something with it? No. Now have I pulled in a 5? Yeah. And it's done its job every time. So basically what I'm saying is just get out there. Get out there and fish. It's a good time. You don't have to have all this fancy equipment to get started. All you need is a little combo, a little pack of baits. Oh, there we go. No! That felt like another good fish, dude. Poop. Just get started. I promise you won't regret it. Being out here with nature, being out here with the fish, pulling something out of the creek. I mean, to me, it's hard to get any better. I don't know, we're here at another spot just across the way. A bunch of algae on top of the water I don't really like over here. It's not as clear as it was over there, that's for sure. And I don't think it's even that deep. Maybe it'll get deep. This is one of the spots I was talking about, got filled up with sediment after the rain. We won't spend too long right here. Couple casts, that'll be it. I do see some bait fish, but nothing as lively as there was on that other side. Oh, we do got one. We did get one. What's it, Betty? I was afraid y'all weren't in there. Oh, hate you. I was afraid y'all were not gonna be in there, dude. Like I said, it has been a while since I've caught fish back here. But a nice little healthy one on the KBD paddle tail. And they just splashing that water all over me. If y'all can see that or not, but we got bluegill all right here. Chasing them damn things. Maybe y'all can see them, but that's probably why this paddle tail is doing so good. There's a big bluegill spawn happening right now, I guess. We got one right here. They're all over the place. See them down there chasing them things. awesome. Look, I got 1, 2, 3. We have 4 right here. Less than 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bluegill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know there's 8 or 9 because there's 2 over there. That's so freaking cool, dude. Look at him, he's just getting them things. That's cool. One more cast over here. I can't help it. We gave the spot a little bit of a rest for a little bit. Let's do one more cast. Oh. Oh, what the? That's what I get. One more cast. Break off again. Yep. Water is quite a bit darker, so I might need to change up my tactics. But I've caught good fish out of here. There we go. Oh! What I tell you? Baby. The darkie. Right on the roof of the mouth, just like I like it. Well, I tell you, boy. Nice fish. Got a little belly on him, too. Whoa, I ain't trying to drop you on the rock now. There he goes. Nice one. Oh, nice bass. Nice bass. He just threw off my thing. They are murdering. They're not just hitting it, they are demolishing it. That one's a little paler. They are straight demolishing the little paddle tail right now. All right, let's get him back. Oh, there he goes. All right, let's put another one on. Where's my juice at? My pimp juice, boy. Never leave home without it. I think that's gonna do it for us today. I wanna get out of here before it gets dark and I can't see if there's snakes or not. I already can't half see anyways. I really don't like this time of year. Not only for snakes, but I don't wanna get no damn tick on me. It's always good to see a fucking needle cap down here.